Welcome, dear friends, to the Craft channel. Today we will showcase outstanding agricultural machines that will revolutionize food production. Join us on this fascinating journey of innovation in agriculture. Witness tireless ingenuity in action as we explore the wonders that power the agricultural sector. Step into the world of the future with effective food packaging technology. Be immersed in the tantalizing aromas of freshly baked gourmet bread as we delve into the art of the baking process. Experience the harmonious dance between the finest ingredients, masterful techniques and skillful equipment that results in mouth-watering loaves that will delight our taste buds. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the news and latest technologies in agriculture. Don't forget to rate our video and share it with your friends who will also be interested in this topic. Thank you for choosing our channel and wish you pleasant viewing. The revolutionary high-tech self-propelled potato harvester Puma 4.0 is designed for large-scale potato harvesting. This innovative machine is capable of efficiently harvesting 4 rows of potatoes at the same time, significantly increasing productivity and reducing labor costs. The Puma 4.0 combine is equipped with a powerful Volvo Stage V engine with 469 horsepower, front tires 2x395 R52 and rear 2x960 R38, which makes it maneuverable, easily moving across the fields even in the most difficult terrain. The potato harvester has an adjustable row width for potato harvesting, which is 75 and 90 centimeters. It is equipped with a topper and a set of rotating knives that carefully bite into the soil and lift potatoes from the ground. The raised soil is sifted, and the potatoes are transported into the machine's hopper, which has a capacity of 8,000 kilograms. This makes it possible to continuously harvest without the need for frequent unloading. Using advanced technology to separate stones and other debris from harvested potatoes, it ensures a high-quality harvest. The machine is equipped with a comprehensive control system that allows the operator to monitor and adjust various parameters during operation, such as speed, depth and separation settings. This allows the operator to optimize harvesting according to specific soil and crop conditions. Additionally, the Puma 4.0 offers superior operator comfort and convenience. The cab is ergonomically designed to provide a comfortable working environment with excellent visibility. The controls are intuitive and easy to use, allowing the operator to effectively concentrate on harvesting tasks. The innovative new generation Downs Crop Vision sorter is a highly efficient potato and onion sorter that operates reliably and efficiently, delivering professional results. Capable of processing up to 100 tons of potatoes per hour. The main advantage of this model is the use of industrial cameras in combination with an artificial intelligence algorithm. Crop Vision analyzes all surfaces of the material moving along the conveyor at 360 degrees. Thus, this technique provides an accurate classification of the product according to its quality, free from defects, green, spoiled, deformed or cracked. Moreover, lumps, pebbles and other foreign objects are identified. Through the use of specialized automatic ejector fingers, the device divides the incoming material into 3 fractions: high-quality potatoes, second-grade potatoes and sorting waste. This highly effective system is completely patented. By analyzing each tuber as a whole, Downs Crop Vision can provide accurate information about the size and quality of stored potatoes. The latest optical sorting technology solves a number of problems, namely, reduces the need for manual labor, improves the quality of sorting while reducing its costs, ensures labor safety, and reduces negative impact on the environment. The sorter is easy to use, has an ergonomic touch display, with which you can set all technical characteristics and control the work process. Crop Vision can be used in conjunction with Downs receiving hoppers and feed conveyors up to 2,800 mm wide. It features high performance, ease of use and durable design, making it an excellent choice for farmers and agricultural businesses. Those wishing to increase their productivity and the efficiency of their enterprise, promoting growth and prosperity. The 500C high-speed packaging machine is a modern technical device capable of achieving high-speed packaging of products. Equipped with advanced technologies and features that allow you to pack goods efficiently and quickly. The machine can be customized for various types of packaging and agricultural products, confectionery and others. It is an indispensable tool for enterprises involved in packaging goods in large volumes. The Dutch company Arco is engaged in the production and implementation of innovations and technologies in various industries, including agriculture, food processing, chemical and mining industries. In an effort to simplify and optimize work processes, they automate and robotize them, making them more efficient, economical and in demand in all areas. To do this, the company equipped a semi-automated conveyor line with various sensors. After agricultural workers place the berries in containers, they pass through a conveyor belt, where sensors determine the correct weight of the container, insufficient or excessive. Workers then add or remove berries to achieve the desired balance in the containers. The John Deere 592 Premium Baler is reliable and productive equipment for collecting and compressing hay, straw or other forage crops. It features high performance, ease of use and rugged design, making it the best choice for agricultural applications. The John Deere 592 Premium Baler is equipped with a hay collection system that allows you to collect and form hay into dense and uniform bales with a diameter of 0.6 to 1.8 meters, and also tie them with twine, which makes them easy to transport. Possessing simple and convenient controls, which allows the operator to easily control the process of picking and compressing hay, and independently establish the required density and volume of rolls, while maintaining high-quality indicators, transportability and safety. The John Deere Baler has high hay collection and compression speeds, allowing the operator to quickly and efficiently harvest large volumes of forage crops. The Florida Extruder Pasta Machine is ideal for pasta factories, cafes, restaurants, shops, supermarkets and agricultural enterprises. The machine is equipped with an electronic knife that allows you to produce short pasta in a variety of shapes up to double sheets of ravioli. The Florida Pasta Extruder is equipped with a water-cooled channel, which allows for continuous production of pasta without overheating. The fan helps maintain optimal temperature inside the machine. The hourly productivity of the machine is 25 kilograms of pasta per hour, which allows you to efficiently produce large volumes of products. The Florida Pasta Machine has a reliable design and is easy to use, satisfying the needs of both a novice entrepreneur or farmer and as an additional source of income for an existing business. VMAG Bakery equipment for the production of gourmet breads is a complex of machines and devices specifically designed to create high-quality bread products with various shapes, textures and tastes. Including the following main components: dough mixing machines, dividing and rounding machines, forming machines are used to give the dough the desired shape, be it a loaf, baguette, ring or other options. They can also create designs or patterns on the surface of the bread. Doughers or dough chambers, used to steam the dough to further develop its flavor and texture. Ovens with uniform and controlled heating of the dough, which allows you to get a good crust and juicy crumb. Conveyor systems for the automatic transport of grain products between different production stages, ensuring efficiency and continuity of the process of breads, from classic types to more refined and original recipes. VMAG Bakery equipment facilitates the production process, improves its quality and increases productivity, which is necessary for a successful bakery. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end about the revolution in agriculture, a selection of the most successful agricultural machines. What do you like most about these agricultural machines? If someone drove and operated such machines in agriculture, share your experience. It is important to know about such revolutionary machines. Like, subscribe to the Craft channel and share the video with your friends. See you soon.